Radiator Grille store here. We're doing another install. We've got some feedback from some customers that they needed a little more detail on the side intake install on the Z06 and the E-Ray. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna try to give you a little more detail on that install. Let's get started. All right, this is what comes in the kit. We have our two grills here, of which I will take these out, lay these out. We have this one, driver's side here, and this is passenger side. We have our brackets, sticky pads, cable ties, alcohol wipes, and our prep pads to make sure that the VHB on the ends of these sticky pads holds up well. So we will be putting in the brackets, and the brackets are angled to match the angle of this. So they'll go behind, and then you see how this matches that angle here? That angle is for the driver's side. We'll fasten the driver's side. Bracket is a nice tight fit. And we'll do the same for the passenger side. Push the push pin through. Like so. Then we will we give you enough to do 2 of these sticky brackets. Now what we want to do is we're going to put one at about 3/4, like so. We're going to loosely connect. And then we're going to put one at about, I guess 1/3, 1/4 around there. Now we're prepared to do the install. Repeat that for the passenger side as well. We have our passenger side. We're gonna start with the easy side first. We've got all of our sticky pads installed. We've got our bracket installed. We've got a 5/16 ratchet here. And then we've got a little cable tie cutter. We've got our prep pads here. This is gonna be our cleaning pad, and then our primer for the VHB tape. First, we're gonna get into counting off where we are gonna be taking off the wishbone nut, and we're going to be counting from this face here. This is going to be, where the doorway opening is, and that's 1, 2, and it's going to be this 3rd one right here. People count it differently, but easiest way is from the door, 1, 2, and 3. And we're just going to take that off. All right, we're gonna be sending this in. This is how it goes in the passenger side. We're gonna send it into the cavity. We got plenty of room to get in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start rotating this to get this inner corner. We're gonna get this into a gasket back here. There's a gasket between that radiator there and then the body. We're gonna be putting this whole side into that gasket. We're going to want to get that bottom piece down as low as we can towards the bottom of the cavity. And we're going to find that open stud that we just opened up there. And we're going to place the bracket around that open stud and push all the way in. And that's going to help us get that nut back on. And we're going to take that nut and we're going to place it back on, and then we're going to secure that. It does not need that much torque. Now that we have it in position, we now know where our sticky pads are going to align. This is where we'll clean off the area where the sticky pads will align. We'll then use the primer and right where the sticky pad will go, and then we'll press on the VHB backed cable tie mounts. Pressing and holding is very key to this type of adhesive. And these adhesive pads get their full strength in about 24 hours. See all the dirt that came off of there. Here's our primer pad. Go over that same area. Another key is to try to keep these pads in front. Remove the backing. End of that grill is, and we're going to press with good amount of pressure and hold. This certainly needs to be done in a warm area with the warm bodywork. Definitely above 65 degrees. Do not attempt this with cold. The adhesive does not work well in the cold temperature. And we'll do the bottom as well. Once again, place it right near where the edge of the grill is going to be. Press, hold with a good amount of pressure. Now we're onto the harder side. And it's just a little bit harder just because we're dealing with the gas and vent valve system that's right here. So I'm just gonna show you how to get around that, and then the install is the exact same as the passenger side. So we're gonna send it in the exact same way. We're gonna be taking off, we're gonna count back, we're gonna take off our nut, and I'm just really just gonna show you this coming in and how we're gonna get in front of the gas valve here. Bring it in front, and then we're going to bend it and rotate it into place. Getting this into the gasket here, keeping it in front, and we're going to be watching this. We're going to have to keep pulling this in front of that valve to keep getting it more and more forward and rotating, and you can use the cable ties to pull it into place. And we have it right about in place right there. And a couple things to note that yes, we are in front of that vent valve or that overflow tube, and then we are right on where we need to be on that 1, 2, 3rd nut right there, and that will get you installed.